Once power is connected and activated, your spa will undertake a 4-minute diagnostic startup cycle, which will be indicated on the top side panel of your spa as PR. Once the PR message leaves the top side panel of your spa, you'll find the top side panel displays dashes across the display, symbolizing that the spa is checking the temperature of the water. Your spa will begin to operate once the dashes disappear and the preset temperature will be displayed. This signifies that the startup cycle is complete. The spa will start heating in the default mode of operation and default temperature. The default is factory set as standard mode and to a temperature of 37.5 degrees. When the heater is operating, you will see either a red LED light illuminated on the top side panel, or in the deluxe controllers, a temperature icon with rising lines will display when the spa is heating. The top side panel will display the last measured temperature of the spa. When a temperature button is pressed, the top side panel will display the set temperature. At intervals throughout the day, your spa equipment may turn on by itself. This is a unique cycle known as purge cycle. It is designed to circulate water sitting in the plumbing pipes of your spa to stop water in the lines from going stagnant. The SCS Industry Spa Control Centre has 3 modes of operation. These can be read about on the topside operating procedure which is supplied with your spa. These modes change the behaviour of the heating cycle of your spa to meet your needs.